So hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and we are back again with another video. Yeah, yesterday I guess uploaded a video, not yesterday, day before yesterday, on YouTube without any cuts, without any type of flashy edits. It was just a normal single clip without cutting a single frame, and I guess I am not going to think much about editing. I'm not going to think much about the ideas I'm going to post on YouTube, but the only thing I'm going to think about is posting as much as possible, because this is how you improve yourself, this is how you improve the way you talk. And the only thing which I am working right now is my confidence, my personality. And from past so many months, so many years, I have been continuously doing such things which just help me improve myself, and the personality I've created right now is totally different, that you can never imagine. If you see the old version of me, that was completely different from the way I behave, and I've grown till now. Abhi tak, I was in the lowest phase of my life, because it was the hardest time I've ever experienced. And now, as I feel that the old version of me and the new version of me is totally different. At that time I was not that capable of handling situations, but now, as you can see, I am changed. I am a different personality. I am the stronger individual who actually helped himself throughout the phase, and now I can handle those situations and get back to things where I ended up. So yeah, as being the individual who is just improving himself, I started reading this book, The Charisma Myth, which actually helps you and also tells you how to be charismatic, how to be magnetic around people. So yeah, I've just completed 2 lessons of it, and it actually helped me a lot. I started applying those practices into my real life scenarios, and I can just feel the change. Before, I used to be an introvert guy who just smiles, who just looks at people and just gives a smiles. And now, as you can see, I just just go to people, talk to them, ask for questions, like ask questions which I want to know. And also they just feel that they are valued. They just feel that someone actually wants to have conversation with them. And I felt that when I used to be an introvert, when I just used to give a smile to people, I was different, I was introverted, I was not that confident. But as you can see right now, I can just go to people, talk to them, I can just do whatever I want, and it actually helps you. I don't know if I am a people magnet right now, but I'm sure better than before. I am confident than before, because as you can see now, I am recording this video without any script, without any type of idea in my mind. I just started the camera and started talking. So yeah, I'm just going to complete this book, and tomorrow we have an TEDx event in my college. So hope so I record it and post it as soon as possible. So yeah, let's wrap up this video, and we'll meet in the next video. Don't stop working, bro. See you.